Hello students, I have started with the cost of a debt. Under that I have explained you there are two types. They are cost of irredeemable and cost of redeemable. Okay, so in the last class I have explained you what is the cost of irredeemable, how to calculate the cost of irredeemable. Okay, the same problem I will continue here. Third problem, that is cost of irredeemable debt. The formula to calculate the cost of irredeemable is I open the bracket 1 minus t close the bracket divided by p into 100. Okay, when the number of years of redemption is not mentioned in the problem, then it is irredeemable debt. Okay, now I'll read the problem first. Andhra Bank is planning to issue 12% perpetual debentures of rupees 100 each. 12% is the interest and 100 rupees is the face value. Tax rate is to the bank is 30%, so tax rate is 30%. Issue expenses are estimated to be 10% of the net sale proceeds of the issue of debentures. So we have to deduct the issue expenses. Issue expenses always is deducted from the issue price. Okay, but how it is calculated? It is calculated 10% of the net proceed. While doing the problem I'll explain you what will be the cost of debenture when it is issued at a par. When it is issued at par means P value is par. When it is issued at a discount, when it is issued at premium. Okay, now we will take the first one, that is when it is issued at a par. Okay, see A I have it is written A means we are doing the first one, issued at a par. Okay, so interest, interest 12% on 100, you will get to 12. Tax rate is also 30%, but you will take in decimal, so 30 divided by 100 it is 0.30. Now what we have to calculate is P. To calculate P, we have to take how it is issued. We are taking the first one, it is issued at a par. So here net realizable value of debentures is equal to face value minus issue expenses. Issue expenses we have to deduct from the issue price. Now how they are issued at a par. So 100 rupees is a par. So 100 minus 10% is the issue expenses on the issue price. How they are issuing? Face value. So 100 into 10%, it is 10. So 100 minus 10, you will get 90. Okay, now 12 rupees formula you have to write. 12 1 minus tax is 0.30 divided by 90. This 90 I will take here into 100. So you will get 12. You have to deduct this. You will get 1 minus 0.30. You will get 0.70 into 12. You will get 8.40. 8.40 divided by 90 into 100. You will get 9.33%. 8.40 divided by 90 into 100. You will get 9.33%. Okay, so how you get 8.40 is first you minus this, you will get 0.70 into 12, you will get 8.40 divided by 90 into 100, you will get 9.33%. Okay, now we will take the second one. It is a discount. If it is issued at a discount, now again we have to calculate P, issue price. Now it will be face value minus discount minus issue expenses. Now what is the face value? Face value is 100. Discount is 10% of face value. So 10% of the face value is 10 rupees. So 100 minus 10 minus issue expenses. It will be 10% of issue price. How it is issued? It is issued 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10, it is 90. So 90 minus 10% of 90 is 9. Okay, so 100 minus 10 minus 9, you will get 81. How you got 90 is, see, issue expenses will be calculated on the net proceed. Net proceeds means after deducting the discount, what amount you will get, on that you have to calculate the percentage. Okay, so face value minus 10 rupees discount. 10 discount, it is 10% given. It is on face value, you will get 10. So 100 minus 10 minus 100 minus 10, how much? 90. So take 90 here into 10% calculate. Now you deduct 100 minus 10 minus 9, you will get 81. Okay, now 12, 1 minus tax 0.30 divided by 81. This one is same, 8.4 divided by 81 into 100. You will get 10.37%. Okay, Okay, next. I agree with 7%. Okay, next. How it is issued? Third, it is issued at premium. Again, face value plus premium minus issue expenses. Face value 100. Share premium, it is how much? See the percentage, 20%. On face value means 100 into 20%, it is 20. 100 plus 20 minus 120. How you got 120? It is on issue price. 100 plus 20, it is 120. 120 into 10%, it is 12 rupees. 120 into 10%, 12 rupees. So 100 plus 20, 120. 120 minus 12, you will get 108. Okay. So issue price is 108. Okay, 108. 100 plus 20 is a premium minus 12. 12 how you will get on issue price? 100 plus 20, 120. 120 into 10%, it is 12. So 100 plus 20 minus 12, you will get 108. Okay. Now formula, use a formula. 12 1 minus 0.30 divided by 108 into 100. So 8.5 divided by 108 into 100, you will get 7.77%. 7.77%. Okay. So the calculation is issue price. Okay. Face value will you have to check how it is issued. First one is at par, at a discount, and at a premium. Okay. Issue price, how they issue expenses, how it is calculated, you have to check. Once they will be on face value, on issue price, like that. So when it is on issue price, after deducting discount on that amount, calculate the percentage. Here on premium, after adding premium, calculate the percentage and deduct it from the total price. 7.77. Now the next part is cost of redeemable debt. Redeemable means when the number of years of redemption is mentioned in the problem, then we call it as a cost of a redeemable debt. The formula is KD is equal to 1 minus T plus R minus P divided by N, the whole divided by R plus P divided by 2 into 100. Okay. Now this is a formula to calculate cost of debt. Now the question is, a company issues at a par a debenture of rupees 100 redeemable after a period of 5 years. The debentures carry interest at 15%. If the applicable tax rate is 40%, calculate the cost of debt. Okay. So par face value is given in the problem. It is 100 rupees. Number of years 5 years. Interest is 15% and the tax rate is 40%. Calculate the cost of debt. So here the year of redemption is mentioned, it is 5 years. So the formula you have to write. Now what is I? I you have to write here. I is nothing but 100 into 15%, it you will get 15. 1 minus 0.40. Now 0.40 is nothing but 40%. So 40 divided by 100, you will get 0.40 plus. How it is redeemed? If it is nothing is given, if it is redeemed at a par. Par is nothing but face value. So 100, R is 100, redemption value is 100 minus issued at a par, it is given issued at par, so 100 rupees, par means face value, so 100 minus 100, N is equal to 5 divided by 100, redemption, how it is redeemed, it is not given, so it is at par, 100 plus 100 divided by 2 into 100, so 9 divided by 100 into 100, it is 9%. Okay, 9% is the interest, 9% interest. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate the cost of irredeemable debt. That is, when the number of years is given, rate of interest, number of years are given, then we have to use this formula and calculate. If how it is redeemed, it is not given, means it is redeemed at a par. Okay. So that's what 100 I have taken. Issued, it's already given at par, so 100 divided by 5. First what you have to do is, first 15, 1 minus 0.540. If you do, you will get 0.60. So 15 into 0.60 plus. Then if you deduct this 2, you will get 0. 0 divided by 5 is nothing but a 0. Okay, so 15 into 0.60 it is 9, divided by 100 plus 100 200, 200 divided by 2 you will get 100. So 9 divided by 100 into 100, 9%. Okay, go through the problem. I'll do the next problem from tomorrow. Tomorrow's recorded slide I will explain you. If you have any doubts you can clarify. Thank you.